All right, man, so this is cool. I am on my computer and I'm on YouTube, duh. And the BAJA 1000 race is going on. Ford Performance that has a channel. Subscribe if you want, check them out. And they've been live streaming it all day long. It's nighttime now. What's cool is you can't see shit. While I'm watching it, I'm looking at their lighting and stuff like that, and I'm just comparing it to mine, and I'm thinking, yeah, let me ask AI. Let me ask Grok, because I'm right here. Competing in the stock mid-size is the Ford Ranger Raptor and the Bronco Raptor. And they are in near showroom form, minus roll cage, fire suppression, safety, and communications. They're running the same stock stuff that I overpaid for. As I was watching online, they were at a checkpoint for whatever reasons, and you could see BF Goodrich team trailer right there. So I'm thinking, oh shit, they're running BFG Goodrich. That's what's factory on here. So I asked Grok, what size are they running? And guess what we found out? The BAJA Champion, which is embedded on there, that's real. This is the exact tire, 37 by 12.5. Where is it? Load range C. Exact same tire that they're running the BAJA 1000. Why would I even look for a different size or brand of tire when these things wear out? Why? There's no need to. Look what these things have accomplished. So just for full information, we are speaking about 34 overall BAJA 1000 wins. Not just, not finishes, but wins. And this is what Ford and BF Goodrich come up with of all their other tires, of all their other sizes. Also, it's probably a proving ground to show what this vehicle will do in its factory off the floor showroom condition. And then Grok goes on, as he normally does. He does, she does, it does. And gives me some more information. So it says, you're already running the exact tire that survived the 25 BAJA 1000 loop on number 766. Push them. Air down to 18 or 22 PSI on the rocks. Keep them at 32 to 35 on the highway connectors. And let the core guard sidewalls eat up the sharp stuff. You've got factory race validation in your wheels. Next time you're airing down at the trailhead, just whisper, BAJA Champion approved. Then send it. And there it is. That's what Grok told me. Oh well, good to know that about the tires is what I think. I mean, seriously, BAJA 1000, they carry 2 spares, but still, it's 1,000 miles of as fast as they can stay on the road driving. All right, man, see you.